pull over there for me. Pull over there for me. Hey, just go over there and pull into the. No. Pull up. Get in the parking lot. Hey, get in the parking lot. You about to have a problem real quick. Back towards I'm trying to hear you.
We're at 1064.
Six, 1075.
Good.
We Fifth and Cherry. Adam X-Ray Henry 49Y. Silver Nissan. Dads are fictitious.
I'm with E21. 12 vehicles off South Richards Drive over on Phyllis Street.
Okay, you said Phyllis? No, Phyllis.
Phyllis Street off South Richards.
Okay, good. Almost Phyllis. Simple. Connecting.
Yeah, Compost 1316. He's complaining he can't breathe because he won't have to run.
Roller, Arkansas LPN 291, Young, John Adams.
Over.
Occupy one time.
Over.
Clearly shortly, another
High Bluff E12, 1016 tonight, thank you.
Oh, This is 1060.
Get on in there, my man. Get on in there. Okay, they're coming.
Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Hey. Hey, can you turn your air on, please?
Huh?
Can you turn your air on, please? Please, sir.
Man, you asking a lot for a person who just...
I know. I'm trying to apologize to you. I'm trying to apologize to you, man.
Yeah, 10 minutes in here, we're going to be 500 again.
You're right. Next copy, direct.
Okay, so I'm going to 1097. Simple. Simple. Okay, traffic. Simple.
Hey, sir. Hey, that house right up here, his name's Yo-Yo.